It's a cold and rainy day today on Skotterud. So today it is raining, and my God, the plants love it. Soon it's blossoming here. And the dog hiding from the rain. Bella, come. Already see the lawn is getting greener. I was doing something in the bus. I'm gonna film it today. So it's raining a lot. Maybe you don't see it, but it is there. So yesterday I was making some connections for 12, 24 and all those volts. And that one is going to be changed and take away. Need some working lights, of course. A lot of mess, but I survive. So here is the craziness going on. And as you can see in the windows, it's raining. Fantastic. We needed it so much this time. Dry for months. So here I am again, alive, standing in the bus, hiding from the rain. I'm going to do some work here today, continue with wet hair and everything. So bye from now. I'm gonna go out, and then it is really goodbye. Pouring down, pouring down. Two birds sitting on the line there. So goodbye from Costa del Wet Skotterud.